Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on your laptop or PC in Windows. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, it's really useful to be able to get apps, as you can download apps for games and fun, or more practical apps as well. To get started, go to the bottom of your computer and click on Search, just like this, and type in Microsoft Store. It should show up in the suggestions, so you can click on it and open it. What you can do next is go to the left side where you'll see different options like Apps, Gaming, and Entertainment. For now, we'll check out Apps, and you can scroll through to see all the different options. There will be both free and paid apps, and you can also find entertainment apps too. For example, you can choose something like Disney. Click on it, and then, to download it, just click on Get in the top right corner. Sometimes when downloading apps, it may ask you to sign in. You can use one of your accounts, or if you don't have one, click on Use a different account, then select Create Account and continue. After that, sign into your account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Once you're signed in, the download will start. When the download is finished, you'll see an Open button, and you can click on it to start using the app you just installed. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.